Now let's check into the transpose of the IIR filter. We have derived the general structure of IIR filter in direct form 1 and 2. We need to draw the transpose of the structure also. So let's check into it. So h of z, the earlier same consideration, h of z is equal to y of z by x of z, which is equal to p of z by d of z, where p of z is the numerator term, which is expanded like that, p0 plus p1 z inverse plus p2 z raised to minus 2 plus p3 z raised to minus 3 divided by 1 plus d1 z inverse plus d2 z raised to minus 2 plus d3 z raised to minus 3. This is the expansion of d of numerator term and denominator term. So I am considering this part only, that is y of z by x of z is equal to p of z by d of z. That is y of z I can write it as x of z into p of z by d of z. Okay, that is y of z is equal to x of z into d of z. I am considering this part together. X of z into 1 by d of z is the first subsystem and p of z as the second subsystem. So x of z into 1 by d of z, I am calling it as w of z, and p of z as the second subsystem. So first consider this part only, that is w of z is equal to x of z into 1 by d of z, which is equal to x of z is equal to what? X of z is equal to w of z into d of z. W of z into d of z, where w of z into, and I am expanding the d of z term, that is the denominator term. 1 plus d1 z inverse plus d2 z raised to minus 2 plus d3 z raised to minus 3. Okay, and I am multiplying the term, that is w of z, x of z is equal to w of z plus d1 w of z inverse plus d2 w of z into z raised to minus 2 plus d3 w of z into z raised to minus 3. Okay, and I am converting it into the time domain. I got x of n, w of z become w of n plus d1 w of z into z inverse will become d1 w of n minus 1 plus this term d2 become d2 w of z into z raised to minus 2 become w of n minus 2 plus d3 w of n minus 3. Okay, and I am rearranging this equation as x of n as the input and y of n as the output, that is y of n alla, x of n as the input and w of n as the output. So I am rearranging the equation, that is x w of n, is it clear? Okay, w of n is equal to x of n minus d1 w of n minus 1 minus d2 w of n minus 2 minus d3 w of n minus 3. I am only rearranged the equation. This is the first stage of direct form 1 structure. Okay, that is, here in the equation, above equation, you can see that w of n is the output and x of n is the input. So, and I am drawing x of n as the input. So many adders are coming here. So, an adder term I have put. What is the output? W of n is the output. And I draw the w of n also. Okay. So, x of n, it is available here. What is the second term? Minus of d1 w of n minus 1. So, in order to get w of n minus 1, and I am putting one delay term here. So, w of n into w z inverse, this point will come w of n minus 1, which is multiplied with the minus d1. Minus d1, which is added to x of n. Which is added to x of n. The first part is over. What is the second part? W of n minus 2. So, here w of n minus 1, which is multiplied with another delay term, I'll get w of n minus 2, which is multiplied with the minus of d2, and it is added with the this term. So, an adder here. Okay, what is the third term? Another delay term. So, w of n minus 3 multiplied with the minus d3, and it is added. So, the first part is over. Okay, now consider the second part of the subsystem. What is the second part? The second part is what is the second part? First part what? First part we write y of z is equal to x of z into p of z by d of z. We consider x of z into d of z as the first part. Now what is the second part? P of z, that is y of z is equal to, we call it as w of z, w of z into p of z. This is the second part. Okay, so y of z is equal to w of z into p of z, which is equal to w of z into, I am expanding p of z, that is p0 plus p1 z inverse plus p2 z raised to minus 2 plus p3 z raised to minus 3. Okay, multiplying the terms, p0 w of z plus p1 w of z inverse plus p2 w of z into z raised to minus 2 plus p3 w of z into z raised to minus 3. Okay, that is which is equal to y of z, and I am converting it into the time domain. Y of n is equal to p0 into w of n plus p1 into w of n minus 1 plus p2 into w of n minus 2 plus p3 into w of n minus 3. This is the time domain equation, and I am going to draw the second subsystem figure in direct form 1. That is, what is the output? Y of n is the output and input is w of n. Here w of n is available here. What is the output? Y of n is the output. Okay, this w of n, what is the first equation? p0 into w of n. So, and I am multiplying this w of n with a p0 and it is added here. Okay, what is the second term? p1 into w of n minus 1. For getting w of n minus 1, I am taking a delay from here, z inverse. Okay, and I am multiplied it with a p1 and it is added. Okay, what is the second term? W of n minus 2 into p2. For getting w of n minus 2, another delay term multiplied with the p2 and added here. Similarly, z inverse here, p3 added here. Okay, so this is the direct form 1 structure. Okay, now we interchange the branches and merge common delays and adders. Okay, now we gonna interchange the branches, that is this side is given to this side and this part is going to this side, and interchange the branches and merge common delays and common adders. Here you can see that these are common, delays are common, these adders are common. So I am going to merge these delays and adders. Okay, this will result into the following figure. So what I am going to do, I am going to interchange the branches and merge common delays and adders. Okay, our figure will become, this was our earlier figure, common delays are there. So I am drawing 3 common delays at first. Z inverse, Z inverse, Z inverse. Okay, what is the input? X of n is the input, y of n is the output. Okay, and I am going to interchange the branches. They are earlier this side p1, p2, p3 coefficient. I am taking it to the left part, that is here p1 I hope you can see this. Okay, p1, p2 and p3, and the right part d1 minus d1 minus d2 and minus d3. Okay, Now let's compare it with the equation. So first is x of n, okay, x of n multiplied with here another term is also there, that is p0, okay. X of n is coming like this, okay, p0, here one adder is there, okay, then not here, this direction, this direction, here one adder is there, here also one adder, p2 minus d2 p3, okay. So, and I'm merging all the common adders here, and here also one adder, okay, and all the common delays, okay. Here you can see that how many number of delays present, only 3 number of delays present, and how many adders, 1 2 3 and 4, only 4 delays present here, and I interchanged the branches. The p1 p2 p3 coefficient are coming towards this side, and minus d1 d2 d3 are in this side, okay. This is the transpose of the structure of direct form 1 and 2. This is the direct form 2 form. Here you can see that the number of delays is reduced to 3, and the number of adders has reduced to 4. Adders 4 only, delays 3 only, okay, in the case of transpose structure of direct form 2 of IIR filter.